Hello everyone, this is Robert from G. Paul Music, New England's representative for Allen Organ Company. We get a lot of questions about how to record and playback on Allen organs, so today we thought we'd give you a simple step-by-step video tutorial on recording with two different systems, Vista Navigator and GeniSys Display. The first system that we're going to look at is Vista Navigator. This is installed on a CF10 in the little drawer that pulls in and out, very easily accessible. So what you're going to want to do when you want to record something is go up to Menu in the top right hand corner, hit Recorder. There's two functions here, record and play. The record will automatically load where it's lit up red. If you want to just play back something that's already in the system and not record something new, you'll just hit play right there where it lights up green. For now, we're going to record something new. We're on record mode, lit up red. We're going to hit play down here, and you'll see the counter begin so you know it's recording. We're going to hit general cancel to clear off anything that might be lingering. I'm going to bring on my registration and play through a stanza of a hymn. As soon as you're done recording, go ahead and hit general cancel again to take off all those registrations. And now we're going to hit stop. The counter is stopped right where we were at 118. And we've gone into play mode. So we can go hit play on the bottom. And that's going to repeat everything that you've just done. So when I hit general cancel, it's going to do that again. Anything that was there before goes away. My registration comes on. If at any point we want to stop the playback of a piece, you can hit the stop button right there, or you can hit the general cancel and it'll stop it right away. Let's say I want to save that for later. If I'm going to be away for a Sunday and we have a substitute coming in that doesn't know how to play the organ and they want to pull up that recording, I'm going to save, hit up top here, and you'll be able to enter any file name you want to create a MIDI file that I can pull up. I'm going to do test 1, enter, save. And that file is now saved inside the computer. It can be pulled up by hitting load, scroll down past what's already there, and here it is, load. And now it's ready to go. Very easy to organize things in this system, works pretty much like a computer file management system. Another interesting thing on here is that you can change the playback speed. Obviously with a hymn, you don't want to mess around with that too much if you've recorded it, speeding up or slowing it down. But say you've recorded something as a hymn and you want to use it as background music, a prelude, a postlude, and you want to accelerate it or decelerate it. That's a very easy way to do it to exactly fit your needs. Another thing that you can do with the recording and playback is you can accompany yourself. So I'm going to take this same hymn, we're going to play back. And while I'm going to that first stanza on the lower manual, I'm going to accompany with a little improvised descant on the top manual. Playback starts. It'll pull up my registration in just a moment. And here we go. The final type of device for recording and playback that we're going to look at today is GeniSys. Up here on the GeniSys display, this is a 330 model with 46 stops. You're going to see this green button on the home screen that says Options. Let's click on that. Then out of these options, you're going to see one that says Autoplay. We'll click on that. Now we have the hymn player, the performance player, and the recorder. Today we're just doing recording, so we'll click there. At the very top, you're going to see all the selections. There are 99 different sequences that we can record. I'm going to go to selection 1, and we're going to hit record. Now, if you have a file that already exists in the system, a recording, you're going to have this file exists. So what we want to do is clear that off. And now selection 1 is cleared out for us. We're going to go to record. And as always, we want to hit the general cancel. Make sure everything's cleared off with a clean slate. I'm going to do general 1 to bring up my registration and then begin recording. When you're finished recording, as always, we'll hit general cancel one more time, clear everything off, and then hit stop. The counter is reset now, and all we have to do for playback is hit play. You'll see the registration come on. There it is. And at any point, if you want to pause it, hit pause. The counter stays right at 35. You can continue along. And because we hit cancel at the end of recording, everything goes away. And we're set to record another file or to go back and play the next piece that we need. We hope this tutorial has been helpful to you in some way in learning how to record and playback and some different ways that you can use those in worship. If you have any questions at all, we encourage you to be in touch with us by phone or email, or visit us online at gpaulmusic.com. And on there you'll find a bunch of other training and instructional videos, upcoming events, and other resources for you. If you would like to visit our showroom here in Worcester and try out some of these organs for yourself, which is always a lot of fun, please be in touch with us, again by phone or by email, and schedule a visit. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.